This is the last time I'll ever be street driving this car. So I know I haven't told you guys yet, but the reason that I said this is going to be my last time ever street driving the car is because Athena and I are teaming up this year, and our cars are going to look totally race car because our liveries are going to be matching. They're going to look super sick. I am so excited. But unfortunately, that means that now I'm going to have to find a place for a trailer so that I can trailer my car to the track, because it's going to draw way too much attention to itself on the street for me to continue street driving it to and from the track. So it was a street car for a while, almost a year. Honestly, I get really tired of street driving the car on the street anyway because it gets really sketchy when the car's been running for too long. So it's probably for the best anyways. Dude, the freaking door clears the trailer. Just barely. Barely. Maybe not so much. As I sit in it, it's like, nope. I like the passenger side better without this yellow door on here.
Wait, do you see my blue gas cap?
Oh no, I want to see it. See? Oh, so cute. Almost like super similar, very close to being the same.
It's the same.
Just the gas cap.
Obviously. Kiss me.
Yeah, dang.
This is so sick. This is becoming real.
So we think we want to do the
Logo's this. Your
Logo
accent
for
this. My accent this. And then
This is gonna be such a good team. I'm so excited.
Let's make it happen.
let's get it done.
Let's get it done. Jose has only had me and Rathina's car for literally a day, and he already has half of our base color done. Our cars are going to be two-tone, so the front is going to be very silver and very sparkly. The back is going to be very black and very sparkly. He's already got the black done. It's insane. It looks so good. Do I? Okay.
Okay,
So
sponsors
okay.
we have.
So for the 2019 and 2020 season, I am working with a lot of different companies, but my title sponsors are Wisdom and Stunts Unlimited, which I'm very excited about. I also am fortunate enough to be working with Alpine Stars this year and Simpson Racing, Hold Fast, and Extreme Wraps. So I'm really excited. I've got a lot of really good people on board. Just the Wisdom logo and CDs. skate rails work too, but like if I'm drifting, sometimes my seat will fly all the way back. What? I'm not kidding. So when I'm drifting, it's not gonna go anywhere, then I just take the bolt out real quick.
I just pushed up my glasses because they fell off my face. In disbelief, I know. Well, just so I have glasses.
I'm so excited. Thank you for jumping on board.
Jose sandwich!
Jose
Jose sandwich! Yay!